My name is Adristimir and today we have a camera gear unboxing video. Here we have the Peak Design Leash camera strap. On the front we have the product photo. We can also see the product name on the top corner and it also says ultralight camera strap. On the right side we can see two small arrows as a guide to open the package, and below we can see the Peak Design certifications. Checking the back side, there's more info for features such as carrying styles and how to quickly connect and adjust the strap. Rotating once again, we can see another photo of the strap, the Peak Design anchors, and anchor mount to attach on the camera. At the bottom, we can see the usual barcodes and product number, and lastly on the top, we can see the Peak Design logo, leash, and a small square for the strap color. Let's go ahead and open this box using our small cutter. So opening the box immediately reveals the camera strap, and it sits on this white container. So let's remove this container and check the strap itself. Here we can see the strap folded, it's black color and some red stitching accents. There's also two anchors already in place. Personally, I'm not into the red stitching and I would paint it black. Let's put the strap on the side for now and take out the rest of the accessories. So inside this gray pouch, we have the anchor split ring tool. Next, we have another anchor attached to a small paper guide. Then we have this red paper for product registration and serial number. Then we have the last anchor attached to the mount. So overall we have 4 in total. Last is the hex wrench tool, also attached to a small paper guide. Finally, one more thing here. This is the Peak Design mission, 6 of them. Feel free to read along. And on the back side of this is another features overview. So as I normally do, let's tidy up a little bit and then focus on the main product. So once again, here is our camera strap. Then let's remove the paper tie. Then let's see the length of the strap in camera. Oops, it slipped through my hand, and I think it's time to end the video. As always, if you made it to this point, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be among the first to see what's next, and I'll see you on the next one.